if your car stereo CD player isn't working, like the CD, it can't be fed, I'll show you what to do, and you can probably do it for free if you have all these materials. You'll need a scrap piece of paper, which I'll go into in a second, a CD, a pen, some rubbing alcohol, scissors, and an electric digital caliper. This is what a disc is. It's 1.2 millimeters thick. Now grab a thick piece of paper, fold it, make sure it measures about 1.2 millimeters as well. Go ahead and trace the CD. I just drew this extra line, so you're going to cut all the way around here and then right here. So it's going to actually be attached, this whole piece. I will list all the parts you will need to gather in the description below. Now let's head out to the car. But if you could subscribe to learn more car tips and hacks below, I would appreciate it. So as you can see, I'm trying to get this to feed, and it doesn't feed right now. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do right now. See, not feeding. Pour some alcohol on both sides. Now I'm just going to push it in. As I push it in and out, I am cleaning the inside of the CD player, and any dirt is catching on to the alcohol-soaked paper. Now I'll put the disc in and pull it out quickly before feeding it, and hit the eject button. I haven't heard this long sound before, so that's good. It sounds like it's trying to accept a new feed. Alright, let's see if it works now. Excellent. Yeah. And it works again. Alright. Beautiful. Look at that. So cool. Please let me know in the comments below what you thought about this super simple hack. And please help me by liking this video and subscribing to see more tips, tricks, and hacks for your car. Until next time, thanks for watching.